Metro Line 10 is a planned elevated corridor intended to link Gaimukh, Thane, with Shivaji Chowk, Mira Road, running parallel to the busy Thane and Mira-Bhayandar highway. It plays a vital role in the city's forward-looking metro master plan aimed at easing congestion and strengthening cross-city connectivity across Mumbai's rapidly expanding suburbs. Historically, it was envisioned as part of the Green Line network, along with Lines 4 and 4A. The corridor is relatively short, approximately 9.2 kilometers to 11.4 kilometers long, depending on the source, with plans varying between a 9.2 kilometers stretch featuring 4 stations and an 11.4 kilometers alignment offering up to 11 stations. Station stops and route details. Core route vision. The generally accepted alignment consists of 4 elevated stations. Gaimukh Mira-Bhayandar, or simply Gaimukh. Varsova Chowk, Kashimira, Kashmira. Shivaji Chowk, Mira Road. Some sources indicate variations, such as an extended plan with more stations across a longer distance, but the main corridor follows this set route. These stations are designed to be fully elevated, though certain sections were initially thought to accommodate some underground stretch, but most planning emphasizes an elevated design. Timeline, planning, and progress. Initial proposals and DPR. The Detailed Project Report, DPR, for Line 10 was prepared in early 2017 by DMRC in collaboration with MMRDA. In September 2019, the foundation stone was laid by the Prime Minister, highlighting Point Gaimukh to Shivaji Chowk as the primary corridor. Estimated cost at that time was approximately Indian rupee 3,604,476 crore. Timeline discrepancies. Over time, project timelines shifted. An initial target considered completion by March 2022. Others projected completion by June 2024. More recent sources show a later horizon, with 2030 cited as a possible completion date. This variance reflects shifting priorities, funding challenges, and evolving planning dynamics in Mumbai's broader metro expansion. Consultancy and depot planning. The general consultancy for this corridor, serving Lines 4, 4A, and 10, together forming the Green Line, was awarded to Sistra MVA Consulting, DB Engineering and Consulting JV in December 2022. Depot planning has been aligned accordingly. In October 2023, the Maharashtra state government allocated a 174-hectare plot at Magharpada in Thane to be used for metro back-end facilities for Lines 4, 10, and 11. Funding, clearances, and environmental factors. Metro Line 10, alongside 5 other metro corridors including Lines 5, 6, 9, 11, and the extension of Line 7, has now secured a loan guarantee from the Maharashtra state government. This enables access to international finance from agencies like the AIIB and ADB, and signifies a push toward fulfilling MMRDA's goal of a 300 km metro network by 2030. However, the line still awaits environmental clearances, particularly because it passes near or through environmentally sensitive zones such as the Sanjay Gandhi National Park. Without these clearances, construction cannot proceed. Connectivity and commuter impact. Line 10 is expected to provide much-needed relief across the Mira Road Thane Borivali corridor, acting as a vital corridor complementing the congested suburban railway network. Travel time reductions are estimated in ranges between 50% to 75%, depending on current road traffic conditions. Station alignments along the Thane and Mira-Bhayandar highway will also strategically connect with Metro Line 9, offering better integration across multiple suburban nodes. Summary and current status. To recap, Line 10, Green Line Gaimukh to Shivaji Chowk, Mira Road, approximate 9.2 to 11.4 kilometers. Stations, Gaimukh Mira-Bhayandar, Varsova Chowk, Kashimira, Shivaji Chowk. Design, fully elevated with some discussion of underground sections. Consultant, Sistra MVA and DB Engineering JV. Depot, planned at Magharpada, Thane. Cost, Indian rupee 3,604,476 crore, initial estimate. Funding, guaranteed by state for international loans. Environmental clearance, pending, notably across SGNP. Completion timeline, ranges from 2024 to 2030 depending on source. Impact, major connectivity benefits, huge travel time savings, easing suburban rail burden.